Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Starting out a video right now on a truck that just showed up, and customer called me into last week and he put everything together for it, and then he told me, he said, hey, just hold that quote. I'm gonna go, he's from Las Vegas. He said, I'm gonna go to South Carolina and pick the truck up, and he said, I'll come and bring it to you. He said, we'll get everything ordered and then I'll just leave the truck there as long as it takes, and then that's it. So we just came up with a deal. He just wrote a check and he just left. So I have the truck here in front of me, and it's a nice one. 2024 Ram 3500 dually with a Cummins in it. Truck has like 500 miles on it. He said it's a brand new truck. He just drove it here from there, and that's the mileage that he has. It does have the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel in it. For all you Dodge people that say I never post Dodge trucks, this one's for you. We're going to be doing a 4-inch BDS kit with Fox shocks, some 26-inch KG1 dually wheels, and some 38-inch Fury tires. There's a few more accessories that you'll see in the video that we're going to be doing to it, so stay tuned for this one. So the first thing that I need to do on this one, this is on all Ram trucks with the Cummins diesel inside. There's no way for me to tell which transmission's in this truck. Now, I've taken the VIN number and called the dealership with it before, and they say they can't seem to tell me. When you order a BDS kit, or really any kit for these trucks, you have to know whether the truck has an ASIN transmission or a standard transmission, and that is determined with an indexing ring that has either 6 or 8 bolts in it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm pulling the truck around to see if it has those bolts in it. Dodge may be killing the interior game. Look at this thing, still got tags on it. That's suede and leather. Even though it doesn't have the big badge like Ford and GMC do on the center console, still looks nice. Look at the screen though. I don't think that Ford and GM, I don't think either one of them are messing with the screen. This is a Tesla looking screen to me. It's the full size of the dash. That's amazing. This truck definitely feels better on the interior than the other two. I know I have some Chevy guys in the comments cussing at me about that, but that's just what I think. So if you watch my last video, you're going to know that I, in this video and the last video before, this is a black Ram dually. Obviously, you've watched up until this point. It's a black Ram dually getting some wheels and tires and a lift kit. And my last video was a Ram 2500, a white one. Now, I was filming both of these trucks at the same time at the shop, and then suddenly I had to leave because I had a baby coming. Everything's fine, the baby's great, we're home. That's why I'm in my my dining room right now recording this, because I'm not at work. I won't be at work until next week. But I wanted to finish the videos, so I reached out to my 2 customers that I wasn't finished with their video yet. I didn't have any clips of the final product because I had left. So I reached out to Davey in the white truck video, you saw that, and then I reached out to my customer with the black Ram 3500 and had him do a little walk around his truck. And that's the clips that follow this clip in the video, and I'm very, very happy with the way he did. He was very thorough about everything that he said on the truck, and he was correct on it, and he's very, very happy with the truck, and I appreciate him shouting us out so much in the video. So I'm gonna put that video in here. Just a forewarning, the reason the video is blurry is because it was sent over text message or email, I think, and it loses resolution really bad when you send from one device to the other. Same thing in the white Ram video. The quality is just not there on the video, but you get the basic idea. So once again, I wanted to say I appreciate you guys watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to call me, Jake, 678-994-9180, and we're at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. Thank you. And by the way, I do know the name of the customer with the black Ram 3500. It's Kyle. I don't know why it wasn't on my mind when we were filming that clip, but Kyle's been great. We've been texting back and forth ever since the beginning of this process, and he's awesome. He's top notch. If I could pick a customer, he's the guy. Him or Davey, either one of them are great. Most of you guys are that come from out of town, man. Everybody's usually very, very nice to me and very polite and easy to deal with, and they don't give me a whole bunch of trouble. So I wanted to say I appreciate that too.
Good morning. First and foremost, I want to thank Jake down at Southern Tire. Definitely really helped me out with this build. This is part one of the build. We have many parts coming, but this is my first ever dually build, and you know, I shopped this build out about 3 or 4 different shops along the East Coast, and Jake definitely worked with me every step by step on the wheels, the tires, lift kits, explained everything to me in very detail, itemized pricing, explained just over, above and beyond in customer service, which made me feel comfortable going with Southern Tire out of McDonough, Georgia. So we're going to start off with the build. These are 26-inch KG1 Ford Sarge wheels, wrapped in 38-inch Furies, as you can see. I mean, it's a complete look. I wanted to go for like a semi-Alcoa rim and tire look because I drive trucks. And this was one of the closest rims I could find to the Alcoa, like the look of the Alcoa wheels. So yeah, we have the KG1 Fords wrapped in 38s. We also did a 4-inch BDS radial arm suspension lift kit. Also with Fox shocks and the Fox shock dual stabilizers. We also we did a TSO chrome frame kit as well. We also mounted rock lights in at nighttime, and these things are bad, man. I put some rock lights in the grill and above each tire well. We also added the TSO 8-inch muffler as well. And this is the favorite part. I mean, I'm a kid at heart. The favorite part about this whole build for me so far is this Admiral horn blaster. I mean, this thing is bad to the bone. This thing will scare anybody. Fog shocks in the rear as well. So the first part of this build, I mean, we pretty much lifted the truck, a 4-inch lift, 38 Furies, 26 Sarge KG1s, KG1 Ford Sarge wheels. He did all the lighting, the exhaust, the chrome layover, the chrome pieces, the TSO chrome body frame pieces on the front, as well as the lift kit. And it rides amazing. I mean, those dual stabilizers, those Fox shocks, I mean, BDS really has a nice kit. And this is a 4-inch lift kit. I didn't want to go 6 or 8 or go too crazy. I just wanted a clean, smooth look. And Jake nailed this out of the park. What we have coming next year is a lot of more customization to like the powder coating, paint matching, and things like that. And I'm definitely going to go back to Jake for that. He has anybody looking to get any customization on trucks, I mean, Jake's the guy at Southern Tire, man.